Okay, so overfishing is a topic that many people do not pay attention to, but this is one of the major topics that should be given importance. One main issue is that people do not see overfishing as a threat, and that is really dangerous because so many people's lives not depend directly on the coast. But what they do not understand is even though their lives not depend directly, fishing has a lot of indirect effects on people's lives. Firstly, many developing countries, their livelihoods depends on fishing, and like now as we can see, like from throughout the years, the amount of fish in the ocean has like reduced, like decreased drastically, and this has been a big problem because now fishermen, they go to the sea and they catch the small tiny baby fish which have not even grown to their full length. And this is really bad because where is the fish coming from the coral beds. But like now as we can see, like the temperature is rising, and with global warming, their homes are being destroyed. And so, but like at the end of the day, people still need to make money, and like live their lives, so they still go venture into the ocean and go for fish. That's why it's a bad thing. The amount of fish is reducing, and like we know that the ocean has so much to give to us, and not just fishing. Medicines are found in the ocean. There's also like cures for cancer that. Okay, so when it comes to overfishing, of course, it is a bad thing. It needs to be stopped. But at the same time, we also have to think that you just can't go and like tell these fishermen, okay, now like the fish amount is reducing, so you need to stop fishing. You just can't do that because that is their livelihood. That's what they've been doing. Like for example, my family, my grandfather, my parents, all of them were in the fishing business. So tomorrow, if you just go and tell them, okay, you need to stop fishing for so many months, what are they going to do? Where are they going to go? And it's not just them, there are so many people lives that depend on this fishing business. Like my father, for example, he owns trawlers, but under him there are many laborers that come from different states from the world. He's from India, and they work there, so they depend on that. So of course it is a threat, it is bad, but we need to come up with rules and regulations that can control this overfishing and like problems that are related to fishing. For example, dredging, that's one of the main bad part of fishing. And dredging is when the boats, they go in the ocean, and the sea beds, they like literally scrape and destroy that part of it, and that is the bad thing. But there are no existing rules that tell people not to do that. So I think we need to be more strict with our rules. So one of the impacts that overfishing can do like on the people is that if there's no fish in the ocean, and if the coral beds are all destroyed, and like especially if you look at Florida, like it's good for its marine life, and people fish a lot here, and you can see people going out on a sunny day with their families, fishing, having fun. But like if the ocean is threatened, where is this fish going to come from? Like all these people that go for scuba diving to look at these fishes, there will be nothing left for them to see. Like now people look at that to create awareness that certain things are happening, but many people do not know about this, and that's sad. When you go to an aquarium and you see all this beautiful fish, in Florida itself there are so many aquariums, the Sea World and all of that, you'll be like, wow, this is so beautiful. So think of a time when because of overfishing there will be nothing to see, and the only fish that you're going to see are in books, in history textbooks. And this has happened before with like many animals going extinct, and we should not let this happen. And so before it's too late, we should like create awareness that this is a problem that's happening here in Florida itself and like around the globe, and this should be seen as a major problem, and not just seen as one aspect of whatever is happening in the world.